Hi there, Dmitry here.
Hello everyone.
Today we're going to unbox Richwood fragrance by the house of Xerjoff and also share our impressions.
Perfume comes in this large secure box. It's actually very heavy. I have purchased 100 milliliters of this perfume. It comes in two sizes, 100 and 50 milliliters.
And also
This is the box inside. Here is the name of the perfume, Piccola Dama. It belongs to the 1717 collection, the most expensive and luxurious Xerjoff line. Some more information about the perfume. Let's unbox it.
Sure. While Dmitry does the unboxing, I just wanted to quickly share with you that we have just unboxed another fragrance by this house. It's called Piccola Dama, and if you would like to watch this video, you're welcome. It's on the channel.
Place it here. Concentration is parfum, pure perfume. Actually, very lovely box. And we'll see inside another very beautiful box. Oh yeah, looks amazing.
Looks absolutely luxurious. Shiny, lacquered leather.
Like a crocodile looking. Very beautiful box. And inside we have, oh yeah, the same presentation as Piccola Dama. Here is a card with a description of all the perfumes in 1717 Stone Label collection. Oh, there's a numbered batch.
Alright, yeah. We didn't have the number batch in Piccola Dama.
It's a numbered edition, gold plate, very beautiful looking. And inside we have, oh wow, stunning bottle, something like silk, the bed from silk. Amazing. It's the best Xerjoff presentation we have ever seen.
Yes, it's true.
Best bottles with the stones on them. Here's the name of perfume, Richwood, 1717 collection. Parfum concentration, very beautiful cap. You can hold by it. Stunning. X for Xerjoff, and also in the cap inside. This one doesn't smell from the bottle.
Yes, I can't smell anything. Wow, it's nice. The stone here is Kalahari Peticite stone.
Not the same color.
No, but I guess they're different. I mean, it's nature. Come on.
Oh yeah, there is a batch on the other side of the bottle, which is written here.
Yes. Did you show the bottle already?
Yeah. Very beautiful, amazing presentation. It's one of the best we ever seen in perfumery.
Okay, let's try the juice.
I'm so excited.
I'm excited about this one as well.
how it feels from this big bottle, from 100 ml, from the large spray. I'll show you the sprayer. Oh yeah, very nice sprayer, works very well.
Wow.
Wow.
This is good.
It's a love perfume.
Wow.
So beautiful. Citrusy, sparkling. The opening is absolutely amazing. Very fresh, uplifting, yeah. Very, very deep. It feels very, very deep and rich at the same time. Very smooth.
I'm kind of getting the light mode, the a bit citrusy in the beginning.
Amazing.
Very well blended. I can't actually tell exactly what I smell, the notes from what I'm smelling right now. I can feel that I get some citrus notes.
It's very, very smooth, and this
Powdery.
A little bit powdery. Yeah, this composition is built around the note of Mysore sandalwood, and I can already feel it. It's very, very smooth, woody.
Oh, it's definitely woody. Must try for those who are in love with woody fragrances.
Yeah, it's one of the best, most luxurious sandalwood and woody fragrances I have ever smelled.
You can see that.
But it's so expensive.
Actually, if a 100 ml bottle is too expensive, then you could try the 15 milliliters one.
This one we've purchased the first 15 milliliters. It was like a sample, not a sample set, discover set.
Yes, it's
discover
like a
set.
miniatures
Miniatures
set.
of perfumes. You can choose on xerjoffuniverse.com which perfumes would you like to get, and in this gift set there are 3 perfumes.
Yes, not all of the perfumes are available in this size, but there are quite a few that you could try and order.
This is how the small 15 milliliter bottles looks like. There's written Richwood. Actually, I love this bottle too. It's
stunning.
It's like a little baby. You can see here.
Actually,
very beautiful.
I'm in love with this little bottle's presentation, and it's so convenient to take with you when you travel. Like, it's just gorgeous. And imagine you're traveling somewhere and you put it on a shelf, and you have this luxurious feel while you're abroad as well with you.
Yeah. Actually, I have worn this perfume from the small bottle for 2 or 3 times on my skin, and I can tell that it's very, very long lasting perfume. It lasts over 15-16 hours. I can in the late dry down there is a beautiful smooth sandalwood, and it smells very, very expensive and luxurious. Actually, Mysore sandalwood is one of the most expensive and the best sandalwood in the world.
This is really nice.
But for something like first 4 to 5 hours, you don't get too much of sandalwood, because there are in the beginning a lot of bright citrusy notes, some freshness. Oh, now I can definitely smell the patchouli.
Yes, patchouli is here. Yes, yes.
The most dominant now is patchouli.
Mm-hmm.
In the very first spray, there wasn't this prominent patchouli note, yeah?
No. Yes, we're getting it just now.
Oh, and for my taste, for my nose, it became more beautiful.
The patchouli here isn't too harsh. It's
I also
smooth.
get a very beautiful rose. As I remember, there is also listed a blackcurrant. So smooth, so stunning. Smells very, very expensive. Like it costs.
Yes, I love this one as well. I have worn it one time before this review, and
Wow.
I was blown away by the longevity of this fragrance. It lasted like forever, and the projection actually is.
Projection is really good for first 4 to 5 hours, and then it became more sandalwoody, and it kind of sits closer to your skin,
Yes.
and then the phase lasts something about 10 to 15 hours of beautiful sandalwood.
This is the fragrance that you'd want to smell all the time.
It's not about a projection monster or anything like that. It will not jump across the room, but it's for the experience, for appreciation of beautiful note of sandalwood, patchouli.
Well, I think the projection is really good.
For now, it projects very good, like a beast. For
Yeah.
first couple of hours, it projects very well, and the sillage is great. But then it kind of sits close to your skin. Pico Adama, it projects, I don't know, for about 8 hours, 7-8 hours, it really projects. But when I first time smelled this one, in my mind, there was another perfume that is has like a similar vibe from it. Actually, it has a lot of similar notes,
And we have it right here as well.
and we have it right here as well. We'll show you. It's Chanel Coromandel from Les Exclusives line. I love this perfume so much. It's one of my all-time favorites. Absolutely stunning composition, and I think it's really worth the money. I think Richwood is a little bit overpriced, but this one really worth the money.
Yes,
But-
it's a good alternative.
But I get from Coromandel that in here you will get more patchouli, and in this one you get sandalwood in the dry down. In Coromandel there is no sandalwood here, and overall Coromandel by Chanel projects a little bit longer. I can smell it from my neck over 10 hours, over 10 hours, I can still smell this projecting. So if you want more projecting perfume, you definitely will love this one, Coromandel. If you love more luxurious, more refined, it smells much more richer than Coromandel. And it's very smooth and very luxurious. It's like the most luxurious version of Coromandel with sandalwood. I love them both. I would give them both a 10 out of 10. It depends on your mood, what you want this day to wear.
I actually really like the Kermandel by Chanel, and I think it's maybe the only fragrance that I like from this house, because everything that I've tried, I was never into it.
Yeah,
But this one is truly amazing.
It's our favorite from Chanel, definitely. I think it's a masterpiece, and everybody loves it. We'll show you the notes of Richwood. Here are the notes. Read, please.
So the top notes are bergamot, mandarin peel, grapefruit, bourgeons, cassis. Hot notes are rose absolute, geranium leaves, and base notes are patchouli, Mysore, sandalwood, amber, coumarin, cistus labdanum, vanilla, and musks.
Yeah, it's very, very citrusy in the opening. Rose. Actually, here is not listed
Blackcurrant?
blackcurrant. It's listed on Fragrantica. Yeah, get a lot of patchouli, sandalwood, something ambery, a little bit sweet, maybe from citruses and vanilla, and it's kind of silky from musks. Absolutely beautiful.
To me, this fragrance could be a daytime and also an evening perfume. You could wear it to different occasions, in my opinion.
I believe that this one is signature scent worthy. Spring, summer, winter, no matter. Wear it when you want, but I believe as it's so expensive, you would mostly would like to wear it on special occasions, and it smells like a some special, really special perfume.
It does smell special, but if you want, you could totally wear it every day to your everyday things and just rock it to work or whatever you do. So I think it could be worn everywhere and anywhere.
I think this one leans a little bit more masculine. So if you are a gentleman who wears suits, I think it will be perfect for you. For a working environment, it will be good for the office. But for the office, it's like a too rich and too expensive smelling.
To me, it's a unisex fragrance. I don't really see this masculine vibe.
I would say that this one leans a little bit more masculine, but I have here Pico Adama. Pico Adama leans a little bit more feminine, but I love it.
Okay, then if we compare these two, then maybe this one is a bit more masculine and that would be more feminine.
Yeah, from this one, this is a bit more touch of feminine. Love them both.
Yes, these are really great fragrances. To me, I give them also a 10 out of 10 to both, and this one is totally a masterpiece, and for its price, it's amazing. Richwood is a bit more overpriced, but I think in this case it's worth the money.
It's more luxurious, and you can smell it, and the presentation is out of this world.
But if you have to choose from these two, just if you can afford, maybe go for Richwood. If you don't want to spend too much money on a perfume, then you can get the Chanel one and be as happy.
Chanel one or this
or
small beautiful bottle. Yeah. We'll share our full review someday on this perfume when we'll wear it a lot more.
Yes, definitely there will be a full review coming. And I think that's it. So that's everything that we wanted to share in today's video.
If you want we to do a comparison, a more deeper comparison between these two fragrances, please write us in the comments. We'll try to do that.
Yes, please leave us a comment about that. And if you enjoyed this video, please put a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot for watching, and goodbye.
Thank you, bye.